doing an inspection on this 585 ton-and-a-half package unit, 40,000 BTUs. But check this out. You've heard of the capacitor run Bandit, the cat Bandit, but have you ever seen the contactor Bandit? It's his brother, but pretty bad install here. Very dangerous. The original contactor's on the right hand side. It'd probably take me about 5 minutes, if that, to pull that thing out of there with some extensions, some flex bits. Really easy, but man, this thing is dangerous. It's being condemned. Goodbye. The heaters, the chambers are rusted. It's in bad shape. It's in bad shape. And check out the condenser fan motor. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff.